My name is Santosh Sinha. I am a physics teacher. Today my topic is sharing of charges by capacitors. So here consider two capacitors whose capacitance is C1 and C2 and the charges are Q1 and Q2. Potential difference is V1 and V2. So the charge Q1 is equal to C1 V1, Q2 is equal to C2 V2. A step 1 common potential that is equal to V. So here if Q1 dash and Q2 dash with the charges of capacitor C1 and C2 after the division of charges, so Q1 dash divided by Q2 dash is equal to C1 by C2. Total charge that is given by the capacitors is equal to sum of the both the capacitor charges, that is equal to Q1 plus Q2. So Q1 is equal to C1V plus Q2 is equal to C2V. So here V is the common, so that is known as common potential. So according to the conservation of charges, we know that the total charges before sharing, that is equal to total charges after sharing. So this equation is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2, that is equal to C1 plus C2 into V. So therefore V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Consider equation number 1 here. So here that is equal to potential energies. So before sharing, potential energy is equal to Q1 plus Q2, that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 V1 square plus 1 by 2 C2 VT square. After sharing, that is energy is equal to U dash, that is equal to half C1 V1 V square plus 1 by 2 C2 V square. So V square that is equal to common. So here let us, that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 plus C2 V square. This is equation number 2. So putting V in the equation 2 with the help of equation 1, V putting the value here. So that is equal to U dash is equal to 1 by 2 C1 plus C2. This is the value of V, that is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2 whole square, because V square that is equal to whole square. So after calculating, we get that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 C2, that is equal to C1 by C2 का whole square. This is also whole square. So here C1 plus C2 and C1 plus C2 का whole square, that will cancel, one value that is cancelled. Remaining here that is equal to C1 plus C2. So that is equal to value that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 V1 plus C2 V2 का whole square divided by C1 plus C2. That is considered equation number 3 here. So if step 3 loss of the energy, that is we want to calculate it, that is equal to U minus U dash. So U that has a value given, that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 V1 square plus 1 by 2 C2 V2 square minus that is equal to U dash, that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square divided by C1 plus C2 here. So 1 by 2 common from this equation. So C1 V1 square plus C2 V2 square plus C1 C2 here minus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 का whole square. This is the LCM part. So this is the LCM part here. So that is equal to C1 plus C2 is equal to LCM. So on taking LCM, that is equal to multiplied by this. So if we multiply C1, that is the equation of this formula gives, that is equal to C1 square V1 square, that is equal to C1 C2 V2 square and C1 C2 V1 square plus C2 square V2 square minus. So there A plus B का whole square, that is equal to A square. A plus B square because minus, so that is equal to minus sign will converted and that is plus, so that is also minus there, so that is equal to minus on multiplying this equation. So both two equations C1 V1 square and C2 V2 square plus minus that will cancel out. So here we take common C1 C2, so the formula is equal to V1 square plus V2 square minus 2 V1 V2. So we can write here V1 minus V2 का whole square. So that is equal to, after calculating the value, loss of energy, that is equal to 1 by 2 C1 C2 V1 minus V2 का whole square divided by C1 plus C2. Equation number 4 here. So here equation number 4. So if U minus U dash is greater than 0, U is greater than U dash. So U minus U dash is a positive quantity. So here loss of energy appears as a heat energy. Wire connecting the capacitor become hot here. So loss of energy is given by U minus U dash, that is a positive quantity. So loss of energy appears as a heat energy and therefore the more wire connecting the capacitor become hot. So this is the class of 12 physics, loss of energy of the sharing by the capacitors. So thank you. Take a screenshot here.